when everything seems to just another scam promo. This one stands out. It's so legit. Thank you, Nike. Got this limited edition Swish necklace by winning the Nike Trivia Slam. Watch out for their upcoming promos. Just download the Nike app in App Store or Play Store.
Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you.